Today I'm going to show you how we generate the students' marks using Winsteps. Okay, so basically whenever we send our OMR form to the computer department, this is the data set that we get from them. So right now we need to use Excel to convert all this data set to become an Excel file. So the Excel file will look something like this. Okay, so it is simple enough. We have a video somewhere inside here showing you how to do this conversion. Okay, so from here we need to convert this into a format that it can be read by Rush. So we are going to import this Excel file into Rush. How do we do that? Okay, we open up Winsteps. So this is Winsteps. So we click here. Okay, we're going to import from Excel. Okay, so we're going to close this Excel file. Okay, select the Excel file. Okay, the Excel file is inside downloads. So we're going to open up this file. Then they're going to ask us which one are the data set, which one are the identifying variables. So this one, A, is the metric number of the students. So you're going to shift it into person label variables. The rest from question 1 until question 20 are their responses. So we're going to shift it to item response variable. The rest we don't need to use. Okay, so once we're done, we're going to click on construct Winstep file. So we construct Winstep file. So now we're going to give it a name. Okay, so I'm going to give a name, the name of the file, FFFF, that's the code number 2613. Then we're going to put the session 2020-2021. For word test, this is for the mini test. Okay, the first mini test. Click save. So just to make sure that I can find this later, I'm going to put it on the desktop. Save. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, but this one do not have what we call the correct answers. So you need to put in the correct answers so that the marks are generated. So for that, we are going to use a special kind of coding inside there. So you can see here we have this insert kunci. So we put in the keys. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to place it inside the, okay, this is the file. So right now we need to put in the key, okay, and the key should be where? It should be here. Okay, so you can see here the original code and their code. Okay, so we have here the original code is ABCDE. The star is for blank, so by right we should allow for blank. Okay, so we're going to erase the rest and put in the necessary. So the line 300 is the necessary one. Okay, where is the line 300? It's below total score. The other one is the codes. Okay, so this one you can see the key one here is here. It is between the codes and the total score. So we cut this one, we put it here. Okay, so we have no need for the rest. Let's get rid of the rest. Okay, so now we're back to the original format. Okay, now for the key, this one is not the correct key, so we have to get the correct key. So where is the correct key? It is down here. Okay, because whenever we scan, this is where we put the correct key. So the correct key is there. The correct key is usually the one that we coded as 000. Okay, so that's the keys. Okay, A00 is no longer required, so we're going to delete that one. And now we have all the correct keys of all the students. So we are going now to save the file. So we click File, Save. So this thing has been finalized. So now we can use this to generate the marks of the students. Okay, so let's go and to Winsteps and generate the marks. Okay, I'm going to close this one also. Alright. Okay, we're done here. Let's get out. So we're going to open up the file. So open file. Where it is, as stated earlier, it is on the desktop. Okay, where is the desktop? This is the one. Okay, press enter twice. 1, 2. Okay, so here is the analysis initially done. Indicates the reliability is quite good. Okay, for the items, percent reliability is only 0.43. Okay, so let's look at the marks. To get the marks, okay, we need to generate the marks for the students. So I'm going to use output files. So what I want to generate, person file. So click person file. Okay, I want it to be Excel file. Okay, not text editor, so Excel file. So I'm going to generate a permanent file. Click OK. Then they're going to ask me for the name. So let's put it on the desktop. Okay, and the name is FFFF 2613 2020 2021 mini test 1. Oops. Okay, so we're going to save it. Save. So you generate the Excel file. As you can see, this is the Excel file. Okay, so you can see here, these are the entry number, the measure, the status, number of counts. As you can see, the students have answered all the 20 questions. Okay, but they only got some of it right. Okay, and the best part is the metric number is on the far right side. So I just have to cut this one, cut, transfer it to the front, insert cut cells. So where are the marks? The marks are here. So these are the marks. And this is the total number of answers. So you want the marks in percentages, the only thing you have to do is to generate the marks equals this value divide by this value times 100. So you got their marks already. So drag and drop. So as you can see here, the marks are there. There are those who pass, there are those who fail. And with that, we are okay.